so excited to bring this home to you. It's in the heart of Panama City, but it's still on the water, right? And you're so close to the beaches. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go take a look. A newer construction home, 9-foot ceilings, the open floor plan that we all love, beautiful quartz countertops, and a kitchen with pull-outs, all the details, eat-in dining room. But, come on, let me show you the secret. And this porch gives you extra living space outside and is only a couple years old for this view. Ample space in this ensuite, and I love a good bay window looking out to the water. Again, with those current and modern updates that are perfect for you. 3 bedrooms, or you can convert one of them for your space. This is perfect in the middle of Panama City. Swim, boat, fish in your backyard? I'm so excited to have shown you this house. If you have any questions, let me know. You've got my number.
Romance, I promise I